Hi, good morning, everybody. This is CA Sri Priya Kumar, and this is yet another edition of the Smart CA initiative. As we all know, the long form audit report for bank branches has undergone a change, and RBI has now prescribed a new format of the bank LFAR to be filled up by the auditors for the respective branches audited by them. So I thought I'd just share the most salient changes in this LFAR format in some very short videos. And this video is on the advances segment of LFAR. The single largest segment which has undergone substantial change is actually that which relates to advances, which in any case was a very substantial part of the LFAR itself. Now, the new LFAR is a lot of additional risk and needs far higher safeguards from the auditor's side. Let's have a quick look at what these changes are. The list of advances verified now has to be reported along with the account number, the name, the amount, and the total percentage that you have sampled needs to be reported in the format itself. You as an auditor need to provide your very specific comments on advances with adverse features. And what are some of the most important changes? A very specific comment on latest financial statements, conduct of stock audit and reports, credit rating, accounts which have moved to the NCLT under the IBC process. In terms of corporate borrowers, whether any loans have been given to companies to buy back their own shares. The auditor also needs to comment specifically on restructured accounts. A very interesting one is a huge segment on frauds which has come in. It appears that one would have to go through the master directions on frauds, and if you come across those tendencies or the red flags, you would have to report them. The audit also seems to have moved significantly into, what I would call as a little bit of a proprietary domain. It talks about the efficiency of recoveries and execution of decrees in the case of suit filed accounts. Documents maintained other than in the branch to the extent reviewed by the auditor, and if you have any scope limitation, you may want to comment on it. Specific comment on due diligence reports, which are mandated by RBI for multiple banking and consortium banking arrangements. Frequent rollovers in loan accounts need to be reported. There's a very specific statement on whether the DP has been computed properly. Fund, non-fund swaps in case of devolvements are required to be commented upon. Very specific question on upgrades and downgrades to accounts. And very interestingly, we are also required to report on quick mortality or early mortality accounts to the extent we have reviewed by us. Now, what does all this mean? It just means a significantly higher level of risk and the need to maintain very, very robust working papers. I've also made out a very detailed template which incorporates all the new LFAR elements, the entire LFAR elements into a structured work paper, which I hope will be of use to you. It's already available in the public domain in a PDF format. But please do write to me at sripriya@spka.in if you need a Word format. I don't want to spam your mails. So thank you very much. Stay tuned for more. And this was an edition on LFAR 2021 with specific reference only to audit of advances. Thank you very much and have a nice day.